Hi, it's me, Toey. I'm in nature right now, as you can see. Got this beautiful scenery. Decided perfect time and place to unbox some weird little things. I got this in this little town I'm in right now. They had these cute little blind boxes. This one has some Totoro guys on it. They were all really cute. If I wanted any of them, I kind of want the Ponyo one. And I kind of want the Totoro one with like the pink in it. Let's see what I get. I got Totoro. Don't know which one. Cute. See, and here's Totoro. I'll make a little thing of it, me sitting it up.